Guys, this is a book, yes?
Yes.
Okay, if I look at this book, I have two covers, and the covers are attached here at this point. I'm going to open the covers to make a letter V. Letter V is the first letter for the word that describes this point where they're attached. Anybody know what that's called?
A virtron?
Vertex. Everybody say vertex.
Vertex.
Vertex. Okay, so when I put this angle, this book on the protractor, I'm going to make sure the spine of the book, or the vertex, is right on this circle. Can you guys get your marker and circle that? That is the vertex of the protractor. So when we're measuring angles, we put the vertex of the angle on the vertex of the protractor. So on your protractor, there's two zeros, but neither one is written. See if you can figure out where the zeros would be on the protractor. It's one of these numbers, 10,
0.
right there. That's where 0. Let's get a circle around there. There's another 0. Can you find where the other 0 is? 30, 20, 10. Did you find the other 0?
Yep.
Let's put a 0 on there. Okay, our angle on the protractor is going to always have the vertex and one of those zeros, okay? So this spine's going on the vertex. That one cover is going to be at the 0, and I've got this other line up here on the, do you know what number's up there? It's kind of covered up. What's the number up here?
90.
90, yeah. So what I want you to do is circle that 90. But if I put my pencil right on that line that says 90 and connect it with the, what's that thing called? The vertex. I have one cover of the book, do you see? And now I'm going to put the other cover of the book on. It starts at the
Vertex.
and goes to the other
0.
0, yeah. So this angle right here, do you see how the book is open like this? That's 90 degrees. Is there another way I could do a 90-degree angle on this protractor? Is there another 0? Yeah, right? Right here. So I could connect it this way. And this angle right here is also what? 90 degrees, yeah. The way you do it, you always find the vertex. That has to be part of the angle. That's like the spine of the book. You figure out one of the zeros, and then you decide what the angle measurement's going to be. So if I wanted to do maybe 60, you see, here's a 0. Here's the vertex. Do you see where the 60 is? Number. So if you start at 0 and you go to 60, circle that 60, and then I'm going to connect the 60 line with the vertex. And we just figured out a 60-degree angle. Do you kind of see how to do it?
Yep.
Cool. Find the vertex on the protractor and circle it. Perfect. What's that point called?
The vertex.
Okay, and every angle on a protractor has a 0. Pick a 0. I don't care, it could be this 0 or that 0. Nice, and you labeled it 0. Nice. Okay, we're going to put this book on top. Maybe you better stand up so you can look right down on it, okay? One cover has to go from the vertex to
0.
yes. Now, can you look on top of it and see what this angle is measuring?
90 degrees.
Nice. But make it smaller. Make it go to 50. Nice. That's a 50-degree angle. So what we're going to do, see the 50? Okay, I'm going to take this off. We're going to circle that 50. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to connect this point to that point with a ruler. You ready? So here's your ruler. That looks pretty good. Okay, use your pen. Start with your vertex and go right to the middle of that point. Nice. Do you see the angle?
Yes.
Let's label it. Let's start here. Put an A here. Letter A. Put a B here. Put a C here. So we just made angle.
A, B, C.
Yes. All right. So the way we're going to write that is like this. See this letter? It's kind of like an L, but it's crooked. That's the symbol for angle. How do I talk about this angle?
A,
Start at one end, right? The end of one line. This is a ray, and it's the end of one. So A, B, C. A, B, C equals, what's this angle worth?
50
50 chipmunks?
degrees.
Nice. 50 degrees. That's right here, yes? Cool. What's the vertex?
B,
B. So when you look at the angle like this, written with 3 letters, this letter in the middle is the vertex. Nice. Let's practice. Okay, look at my nose. Here's what you're going to do. Everybody place your book right on the protractor so the spine is on the vertex and the book is closed, which means it's open how many degrees, everybody? Say 0.
0 degrees.
Okay, open your book to 50 degrees. How are we doing? That's good. I'll hold this bottom one. How you doing? Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. 50 degrees right here, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did I do it?
You got it. Nice. It says in the directions, tap points A, then B, then C with your pencil tip. Ready? Start up here. A, B, C. Did you tap those 3 points?
Yes.
All right. Yes. Which letter is on the vertex? B. If we look at this angle, and we look at it, angle ABC, what's the measure of it? By that, I mean, how open is the book? How many degrees? Everybody say it.
90 degrees.
90 degrees, okay. So we write 90, and then a little teeny circle up here means degrees. Great. Now we're going to try to build this angle. You ready? This is something you haven't done before. So everybody look up here. Ready? Put a dot on the vertex. Let's do that. Put a dot on the vertex. That's right here. Dot the measured angle value and a 0 measure. Let's find the 0 first. Let's use this one. Let's put a dot here where that 0 goes. We're going to now dot the measured angle. So what's the measurement that we got here? Everybody say 90.
90.
Okay, see the 90?
Mm-hmm.
See that line right on the 90, right above it? Let's put a dot right there. Is we're going to use a ruler and we're going to connect these 3 points. We're going to start at the top here at the 90, go to the, everybody say vertex, vertex, which is in the middle, right? And then we're going to do this last line. I'm going to give you a ruler to do exactly this. Let's see how accurate you can do this.
Pause for a sec. Perfect. Now do it.
Start here. Put your pencil on that point. Move your ruler to it. If you keep your pencil straight up and down, you'll make these lines better. Keep your pencil. How'd we do?